Hello friends, if you're part of the family, welcome back. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. Today's video is actually like a bonus video for you guys, and it is very specific. So if you don't have a nose ring, this video is not for you. You can keep watching if you want, but so just trying to be honest with you guys and trying to just share with you guys certain things that I've been kind of going through and little hacks that I found. Yeah, I would love to share with you as I live life and as I find hacks and find little remedies here and there. I want to be able to share with you guys. So hopefully this video is not too long. I'm going to get right straight to the point because like I said, it's very specific. And this video is actually to share with you guys just the latest that's been going on with my nose ring. With my nose ring. The last video about my nose ring that I shared with you guys was that I showed you how I changed it from my stud onto my hoop. So ever since then, ever since I changed it, I developed like just this little bump right here at the where the nose ring meets my nose, and I had no idea what it was. I went on here on YouTube, and it turned out, I went on YouTube, but I also spoke to the guy who pierced my nose. And according to him and according to here on YouTube, it's because of the makeup that I wear. And that I wear makeup and I try to obviously cover my entire face. That means covering my nose. And I guess it's just the makeup that goes on there that is making it develop this bump some way, somehow. For a while I thought it was because I played with it for a while. And my hands would be dirty, or maybe I wasn't cleaning it properly. But anyways, I developed it and it's just like, So I went to YouTube to see how I can get rid of it. And I found this remedy here, or this recipe here on YouTube that I wanted to share with you guys because it's been working. It's not completely gone, but it has gone down drastically, and I don't put makeup on it anymore. So hopefully cleaning it, it'll go away. So I'm gonna share with you guys really quick. Let me go get the things, I'll be right back. All right, here we go. So this has been my routine for the past week and a half. And like I said, I have totally seen a difference in the size of this bump. Like I said, it's not completely gone, but it's getting there. So first thing that I do is in the morning and before I go to bed, I clean it with a little Q-tip and a sterile saline solution. This I got at, I think it was Walmart. So I go ahead and spray it into the little Q-tips and I clean it very well, okay? After I do that, I get a little cup. I don't have a cup with me, but it's like a little shot glass or a little plastic little cardboard box that I got at the dollar store. I think I got like 20 for like $1. But I get that and I go ahead and put some sea salt. It has to be sea salt. It cannot be regular table salt for some reason. I have no idea why. But sea salt, I grind some sea salt into the little cup and I put some tea tree oil. Okay, I put a few drops just to make enough, or like make it into a little paste that I could put right into the insertion. All right, and once I do that, that I do before I go to bed, I apply a little dot band-aid so that it doesn't fall off, okay? Because obviously the salt's going to dry, it might just kind of like fall off. So like I said, I make that little paste, I put it on the insertion, and I put the dot band-aid over it, stick it on there really good, and I sleep. And then when I wake up, I can take it out, I can clean it, and clean it again with the sterile solution or sterile saline. I did that for about a week and it went down drastically. The first day that I did it, I was like, I'm not seeing too much of a difference. But the second, the third day, it went down so much. So yeah, so that's the recipe. I'm gonna go ahead and insert a little clip here and how to do it. I went ahead and filmed myself applying it. So I will show you now how I do that. are super easy. Like I said, I did it for an entire week and I saw awesome results. I'm trying not to touch it. I'm really trying to continue cleaning it with the sterile saline, and most of all, trying not to get makeup on it. I do my makeup around it, and then when it comes, if I do feel like I get a little makeup in the insertion site, I just get a little Q-tips with the sterile saline and I just kind of clean it a little bit. So, all right, so that is the update. Hopefully that works for you guys like it worked for me. Let me know below if it does. And that's about it. So stay tuned for a few messages from myself. Love you all, and I will see you on my next video. Bye. Hello friends, thank you so much for taking the time to watch my videos. I put a lot of time and effort in filming these videos and uploading them and editing them for you guys, so it means the world that you guys are taking the time to watch them. So first of all, thank you so much. There's a few things that I want to share with you guys. They won't take long at all, I promise. So number one is I accept prayer requests. So if there's anything that you want prayer over, if you have a family or a friend that needs prayer, if you're going through a situation, or for you, for anyone that you know, go ahead and comment below, or you can go ahead and contact me by emailing me or through social media as well. And I will definitely be praying for you and for your situation. Number two, if you are on social media, you should totally be following me. I'll go ahead and put my handler below, specifically Instagram and Facebook. I post a lot more content there, specifically on Instagram. I post pictures of my family, of trips, of what I do during the day, recipes, outfits, just a lot more content there, and I have so much fun with it. So if you are on social media, go ahead and follow me over there. Number three, I have an Etsy shop where I design graphic t-shirts. In the future, I'm thinking of maybe adding a few more items on there, but go ahead and check it out. They are comfy t-shirts, mostly faith-based, tons of different colors, and I love t-shirts. I live in t-shirts and I love designing them. So I've made this shop available for you guys to purchase some really cool and comfy t-shirts that I have designed. So go ahead and check it out. The link to my Etsy shop will be below. And number four, last but certainly not least, if you are not part of this family yet, consider subscribing. We have so much fun here. I do my best to upload 3 days a week. I upload Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. Mondays and Wednesdays is mostly Bible related. I do Bible studies and such, and we have fun in those days because we dive into the Word of God and we learn. And Fridays is mostly for my girls out there. I do a lot of makeup hauls, makeup reviews, get ready with me, makeup tutorials. I also do recipes. I do so many things just about my life, and like I said, we have tons of fun on Fridays as well. So if you want to join us, if you feel like that's something that you would love to be a part of, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you guys can get notified every time I upload a new video. See, that was short and sweet, right? Thank you guys so much for watching. Love you all, and I will see you on my next video. Bye.